Sudhakar Ramakrishna, thank you so much for coming on and talking to the Security Ledger. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks, Paul. Pleasure is all mine.
So you're the CEO of Pulse Secure. People might have heard of Pulse Secure, but maybe don't quite know what the company does. It's a crowded information security space. So why don't you tell us about Pulse Secure and about the secure access space?
Great first question. In terms of secure access, let me start with the secure access space itself, and then I'll talk about Pulse in a little bit. We built a fairly ambitious and far-reaching mission called Building Secure Access Solutions for People, Devices, Things, and Services. And so, since our divestiture from Juniper, we have been on this journey of secure access. 20 million people use our technology on a daily basis, but yet we are not the most well-known company out there. And in some ways, that's a good thing as far as we are concerned, because great companies work in the backgrounds, delivering best-in-class productivity for enterprises, and that's what we are focused on. We are focused on customer success. We are focused on superior access. We are focused on best visibility and compliance solutions.
So Pulse Secure spun out from Juniper Networks 4 years ago.
Yeah.
You have a large and mature enterprise customer base. But for folks who who might not know, what has Pulse Secure been up to in the last 4 years? So kind of trace the evolution of the company after it spun out of Juniper up until today.
Definitely. The best way to describe what we did is we took an asset out of a large company and made a company out of it. And that's our single biggest accomplishment. Through that, we evolved our product portfolio, expanded our market opportunity, and served our customers. Right. Couple of things. When we started out of Juniper, our addressable market size was pretty much remote access and about $700 million. Today, our addressable market is $4 billion with a growing and expanding customer base, but more importantly, a growing and expanding use case based or deployment scenario based.
Right. So we're living in an environment in which mobility has really become this dominant force in the workplace. The kind of traditional enterprise model is breaking down. What are Pulse Secure's customers telling you about where their challenges are today and what problems they really need you to help solve for them?
Definitely. So mobility is one of them. Create the freedom for users to be productive wherever and whenever. Two is perimeters are amorphous, is how I would describe it. There's no such thing as a fixed enterprise perimeter. Three is with increased freedom comes increased risk as well. And so customers are looking for increased visibility and compliance solutions. So we are at the center of solving those problems.
So I think to the extent people know about you definitely is secure remote access, but what other types of products does Pulse Secure offer and to what types of customers? So where are your customers coming from?
So our customers span the gamut. Today, more than 80% of the Fortune 500 customers are our Pulse Secure customers. That's number one. We have a total of 20,000 customers and about 20 million users. So it's a company with a fairly large scale. And so what we really did was we took our, call it rich heritage in remote access and have been evolving customers into secure access through great mobility solutions, through great hybrid solutions that stitch the cloud and the data centers together, through better visibility solutions, including for IoT, and delivering better compliance capabilities for our customers.
Pulse Secure, we know you for remote access, but what other services and products do you offer to companies?
Pulse Secure has been on this journey of evolving the world and us from remote access to the world of secure access. Now, what does that entail? Secure access, in our mind, is a combination of 4 different types of access. Network access, which is traditional VPN and remote access on one hand, but increasingly NAC, from an interior network security and visibility standpoint. So we have grown our NAC product and our profiler products to deliver better visibility and control for our customers tremendously. So that is network access. Then we have mobile access, which allows customers to support initiatives like BYOD and others, where without intruding on the personal space of a user, you're able to manage the workspace. So that's mobile access. In the application access piece, we made a very exciting acquisition last year, which is the VADC asset from Brocade, which provides application access and security. And last but not least, we extend our capabilities into the cloud through providing hybrid solutions for SaaS applications and single sign-on. So secure access is a combination of network, application, mobile, and cloud access.